You guys tell me, does this sound ever get old or what? It just doesn't get old. Gosh, it just don't, guys. Freaking love this thing. Sorry you guys got to keep watching this thing, but while it's warm and nice out, you better believe we're getting it, boy. I know today we are going to get back on the golf cart stuff, but if you are interested in trucks, side-by-sides, all kinds of stuff, automotive, please stick around to the channel. We have a lot of fun. Go back and watch some of our old content. If you are new, catch up to what we're doing here, but we are trying to get the golf cart rear seats put on today, so super stoked. Got these on Amazon. I've seen them all over town, all over the place. Everybody's got the 4-seat mod, so we are going to try that. We're going to take that utility bed off the back. I don't know what we're gonna do with it afterwards, probably nothing, so anyways, let me know. But we will get this on, take you through the whole process, leave some reviews, leave some comments if you've done this, considering doing this, anything you might see wrong so you can help somebody else out. But just feeling super blessed. You guys are amazing. Thank you for the love and support. Let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so here is the club car. Got it in the garage here so we can see. Got started bright and early this morning. I did pull off that utility bed. Where did I put the hardware? I think it's over here. You can see a bunch of 13s and some lock nuts on there, some washers. So I just had 13mm socket and backup wrench wherever it went. And there was a couple right here on the uprights into the back of the seat, and that sucker lifted right out super easy. And then I went ahead and opened up the box of the new rear seat. Super excited, and even look at how organized. My wife's gonna be proud of me. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Never this organized. Got everything set out nice and easy here. You can see the quality of the diamond plate. It is plastic, it's not real diamond plate. And then the hideaway little storage compartment there, that's going to be sweet. So we'll get to all that. Let's answer one question right out of the gate here. How's the leather match, the pleather, whatever? Look at that color, boy. You can't even tell, can you? There's the seat. Now, sorry, the lighting is kind of trash right now, but look at the match, boy. Can't even tell the difference. Let's go around. How about that? Gee whiz. We're going to be set. I'm very excited to get this going. I will get the GoPro out later. I don't know if we're going to do a full install video because there's a million of them out there. I just kind of want to show you that you can do this in your garage. It's not super complex. I'll update you guys along as we go and get some stuff done here. And yeah, hopefully we can get 4 or 20 people on this sucker. But here we go, guys. Let's get into it. Alright, so quick little update. We do have the uprights now. Not all the way snugged in, just left loose. This is 2 17 mils with washers and lock nuts. So you're going to need a backup wrench with those. Got the new diamond plate bed on here. 2 10mm snugged down in there to keep that nice and tight. The instruction guys are not only labeled well, colored pictures, and just absolutely easy to follow. So big thumbs up to the instruction manual, but we're going to keep going on here. Just a little progress update. This is going to be sick. I'm getting pumped as we go here. Okay, time for another update. We got the rear step all mounted in. Got the bracket snugged in there. That took a little bit of wrestling just because everything up here with these acorn nuts and everything was snugged down. So I had to wrestle that a little bit to get it in. But nonetheless, that feels solid. Now when you put some weight on that, it shakes the whole suspension and not just the frame. So that's good there. Everything's getting nice and snugged up here. We're getting ready to do the uprights. And they got a couple holes in there. But this one, there's not a single hole in here. So when you go to put this down, where am I going to put the bolts through? That is a defect, I believe. Maybe not. I'll do some research. But man, I don't know about that. That's kind of sketchy. We might have to put our own, might have to drill our own holes on this booger. Let's see though. So yeah, we definitely went ahead and drilled our own holes in there. We used a nice step bit, set a pilot hole, and then drilled right through that sucker. A lot easier than going through the frame on the Duramax, but still, Man, I can't believe they didn't drill them out. Oh, let's see, 8 o'clock? So we are about 2.5 hours in right now. Just got the rear seat back in place, front seat back in place, all connected, nice and snug. Retained the factory screws that were in there. Those had to reach down with a little 10 mil, but overall, guys, this thing is coming together and super sturdy so far. This is great. I'm really excited. Now, our cart does not run either. I forgot to mention that. If you didn't watch the last couple videos, we're trying to figure out why it's not running. But man, it's going to be ready once we get it fixed and going, because this is going to be absolutely epic. Again, the instructions are super easy to follow. All kinds of assorted tools out and just getting the job done. GoPro, guys, and look at this. Strap down in there, give that a pull, and down she goes. And we got a flatbed with the live well if you're a fisherman. But look at that, boy. Close that up. This is nice. Flip that, and look at it. We got rear seats we can step on, do the hokey pokey, and shake it all about. Look at it go. Man, 4-seater in action, ladies and gentlemen. Hardware tight, double checking everything. I love how it's got new uprights, new roof brackets, new seat brackets, new everything. This thing is top of the line and really affordable, honestly. And the installation time was right at 3 hours and done. This just looks crazy, man. Unbelievable. Love it. I'm just going through now and making sure that all the hardware is tight. Didn't lose any, or didn't leave anything loose. And guys, we're going to be on our way. Now we just got to get the motor running. But man, 10 out of 10 for the install and the look and the color match. Bam. Oh man. There. Whew. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm sweating my butt off. Other than having to drill out the holes on the upright, this was a super easy install. Luckily, I had the right drill bits to do that. That could have put somebody in a bad spot, so just be careful with that. Otherwise, guys, if you did enjoy this video, do give it a big thumbs up. Share some comments. I know tons of you have done the same mod. Super easy mod, inexpensive, and get to haul the whole gang, the whole fam now, and it's going to be a lot of fun. So we'll see you out on the road. Make sure you stick around for the next one, guys. We'll see you later. Peace.